In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless interaction in Adobe XD by linking your artboards. We'll be diving into the prototype mode, which is a fantastic way to visualize and test the user experience of your design. So, let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up your project in Adobe XD. Once you're in, switch over to prototype mode. This is where the magic happens, allowing us to define how users will navigate through our design. To do this, we first need to identify which artboard will serve as the starting point of our prototype. Generally, this is your home screen. So, click on the artboard you want to begin with, and locate the small home icon at the top left corner of the artboard. Give it a click to set this as the starting point of your project. Next, let's select the object on your source artboard that will act as the trigger. This could be a button, an image, or any clickable object you've designed. Once selected, you'll notice a small blue circle or handle emanating from your chosen object. This handle is your ticket to connecting this object to another artboard. Click and drag it over to the artboard you wish to link to. Now, once you've dragged the handle to your target artboard, take a look over at the interaction panel on the right. This panel is crucial as it allows you to set specific parameters for the interaction. First, decide on the trigger that will activate your interaction. Common choices include tap, drag, time, or hover. Then, move on to the action parameter. Typically, you'll use options like transition or overlay, but you also have scroll to and others at your disposal. The destination field should already be set to the artboard you just connected to, but it's good to double-check that it's correct. If you're feeling creative, tweak the animation type, easing, and duration to customize the feel of your interaction. These settings can add that extra polish to make your transitions smooth and visually appealing. With everything set up, it's time to preview your prototype. Click the play button to test it out. As you do, click the interactive object to ensure that it successfully takes you from your source artboard to the target. If everything checks out and you wish to add more interactions, simply follow the same steps for any additional objects you want to link to other artboards. Finally, once you're satisfied with the navigational flow of your prototype and ready for feedback, you can publish it by generating a shared link. This allows others to review your design, providing an easy way to gather input and make any necessary improvements. And that's how you create linked interactions in Adobe XD.